Question number 3 from the Chem 110A sample final exam. How many grams of AgCl can be made from 25.8 grams of AgNO3 and 9.05 grams of NaCl? Okay, so that's what we want to find. How many grams? We start with 25.8 grams of one reactant, 9.05 grams of the other. So what kind of problem is this? It's a limiting reagent problem. How have we gone about doing these kinds of problems? Pretty simple. Find out if this is the limiting reagent, how much product we make. Find out if this is the limiting reagent, how much product do we make. And then choose the smaller amount of product that can be formed. Alright, so 25.8 grams AgNO3 or 9.05 grams of NaCl. One or the other will completely react. So, as always, periodic table, molar mass, step to convert to moles. 1 mole of silver nitrate. Add them all up, you get 169.88 grams. That's 1 silver, 1 nitrogen, and 3 oxygens off the periodic table. Unit and label cancel once we're at moles of NO3. Since it's balanced, this one happens to have all 1-to-1 ratios. So now we're going to do the mole-to-mole ratio between what we started with. 1 mole of silver nitrate and what we want to know about 1 mole of AgCl. You're canceling something from before with each step. This one is the mole-to-mole ratio step. And to get from moles to grams, multiply by the periodic table molar mass again. This time with moles on the bottom and grams on the top. Add this one up and it's 143.32. We're left with grams of silver chloride possible. This value turns out to be 21.8. That is one possible answer. What's the other possible answer? Well, let's find out how many grams of silver chloride can be made from this many grams of sodium chloride. You go through the exact same process. It's not really rethinking things, it's going through the same process, just with different values. Okay, so what are we talking about here? 1 mole of sodium chloride weighs 58.44 grams sodium chloride. This one is also a 1-to-1 ratio off the balanced chemical equation. Canceling out something from before. This was a 1-to-3 to 5-to-2 ratio. We'd have a 5 and a 3. It's all off the balanced equation where this mole-to-mole ratio comes from. That value is the same, 143.32 grams of silver chloride per 1 mole of silver chloride. And whenever we cancel everything out, we get this many grams possible if all 9.05 grams of sodium chloride react. That's 22.2. Your job is to choose the smaller amount. That's how you get this answer right. Another way to get it right on the test is to practice more from exercise 7i. Same kind of problem. Good luck.